Hello guys, if you want beautiful split like me, I will show you now some exercises which help you to work with your split. So let's start. I will show you easy exercises which can do all people without stretch. We'll get seat and now working with leg. We take more leg on ourselves and do this element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Important in this exercise that you not take your leg and not like that. You must take your muscles and working with this leg. Then we will do on another side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this element so important that you warm up your hip, and this is help to you to sit more easy. Okay, not forget for another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then more easy. You must going down and working with your leg. Push on yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And stand back and going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next exercise I will show you when you're going on my YouTube channel, like video, write me comments that how you do this exercise, like you that, and follow me. So bye bye guys.